An area attorney is accusing St. Louis County Jail staff of abusing their powers by withholding public information. Those accusations surround the death of Lamar Catchings. The inmate died last month. We learned his death was due to untreated cancer. News 4's Ashley Lincoln originally broke the story. She's live tonight at the jail in Clayton talking to that attorney and Catchings' mother. Ashley, they are determined to find out why Lamar was never treated.
Well, Courtney, the attorney tells us that the county is actually violating state law by not handing over those documents. Other than the medical examiner's report, no one really knows what led up to his death. But this new lawsuit will allow for a judge to step in and make the county hand over those records.
They watched a 20-year-old boy die.
I'm angry.
Deshonda Troop and her attorney, Mark Pedroli, are taking on the St. Louis County Department of Justice Services.
We need the full picture of what happened.
They filed this lawsuit against the county and acting director of the Justice Center, Julia Childry, for withholding public documents surrounding the death of inmate Lamar Catchings.
The guards told him, quit acting like a baby. So that left my son to go in that cell and just endure this pain on his own.
It makes it difficult for the public to know what's going on in the jail.
A county autopsy found he died from a curable form of leukemia, a condition Pedroli says jail staff never treated him for.
He couldn't eat. He was nauseous. He was throwing up.
It's unconscionable. It's unbelievable.
Pedroli says he sent Childry this request, asking for 22 different sets of public records. She responded in this email saying the records were closed and they wouldn't be releasing them.
We don't even have the records of his treatment in the hospital, if he received any.
I went by the jail to speak with Childry and was told she wasn't in the office. I found she also wasn't present during a special county council hearing this week, discussing Catchings' death along with 2 other inmates who've died this year.
You can get picked up for traffic tickets or for whatever reason and be put in that jail and you can die. That's a risk to every resident of St. Louis County.
I also reached out to county council members to get their reaction on why these records have not been released. We are still waiting to hear back. Now, also a spokesperson for the jail tells us that they cannot make any comments while this legal matter is ongoing. Reporting live in Clayton, Ashley Lincoln, News 4.
New census data tonight shows St. Charles County is booming while the